Okay, this is a quick unboxing of the Verizon G3. Take off the kind of metallic looking box. Take this off. Alright, it looks like the G3 is right on top. Nice feeling. I got the metallic black. And, of course, all the goodies on the inside that we all know of. Booklets. USB charger. That port. So it does not look like there's a pair of headphones in here, which is fine. And then the LG 3000 milliamp battery. Alright, and that's the unboxing of the LG G3. And if you want to see the bottom of the outside, can't really read it because it's all metallic-y, but there you go.